He's fine. It's good to see that like. This is the big shark. This is a shark.
Oh my, look at that one.
Costume malfunction. There we go.
His bark is cracking out.
People are on a mission right now.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for being part of the third annual Pet Parade and Costume Contest. Largest one ever, is that right, Alfred and Patty? This is the largest one ever, and you were all a part of it. What a great family event. As we all know, our dogs are part of our family. I want to make a note about all of our sponsors here who made this possible. And of course, the Operation Pumpkin Committee and our financial sponsors, including our group back here behind me. We're going to do Pet Noner first. First place under Pet Noner. Pet's name is Henry, the Border Collie, and Jeremy's the owner's name. Second,
Stop walking up the squirrel.
Pet's name is Walter, Dachshund, owner's name Becky Rose, handler Jilly Rose. Third place in Pet Noner is Lulu, a mini Dachshund, owner's name Shannon Snap. Pet Noner, first, second, and third place. How about a round of applause to these folks? And all the other pet and owner participants. Next group is the group award. So when you come on up here, kind of line up here, we're going to get a group picture. Pet's name is Rufus and Oliver. Type of pet was a lab mix. Owner's name Beth Bolsey, or Bolsey. She was here.
I don't know if she walked all the way there.
Looking for Rufus and Oliver. Okay. Second in the group would be Casey, the boxer, Matt and Jody Fritcher, the owners. Come on up. Take them up, girls. Right. Come on up there. They were second. Third place under the group award category, pet's name is Marshall, the All-American dog. And All-American was their group name. How about applause for the group award participants and the winners? We now have the large dog category. First place is Otter, a lab boxer, owner's name Carolyn Minder. Second place, pet's name PD, Todd and Jean Bailey. Todd and Jean here. Oh, there you go. All right, PD. Third place in the large dog category is Louie, Lauren Gersbach. The large group category. How about a round of applause for our large group category participants and winners? We now have medium category. First place, pet's name Remington, the boxer. Owner's name Corin Brown. Second place under medium category is Hooch. There he is.
Sorry.
Third place, we have Milo. How about a round of applause for our medium dog size contestants and winners? Back up the small dog winners. Looks like the pet's name is Kitty. Pet's name is Kitty. Rachel Vetter. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. That's first place. Second place is Eeyore. Is Eeyore here? Eeyore, is he there? Come on up here. You're a winner. You're a winner. Third place is Echo. Echo is the dog's name, and Sierra Spencer is the handler for that dog. How about a round of applause for all the small dog participants and winners? And I believe that's all of our categories. Please remember our sponsors, patronize our sponsors that made this possible.